Hey you guys, I have a bonus video for you today. It is an unboxing. So really quick backstory. I did a Valentine's Day collab with some other YouTube content creators and purse lovers. And it was like a gift exchange, like a Galentine's gift exchange. If you missed it, I will link it above. And my Galentine got me a Marc Jacobs the lock purse charm. And I said in the video that I realized I don't have any Marc Jacobs bags. So I literally went on the hunt, and I used to have one. Now I remembered I did own a Marc Jacobs bag. It was a highlighter, neon yellow, leather crossbody bag, but I actually gave it to my cousin. I had worn it one day. I thrifted it from Savers for like, I think $10. And it's like the one with the flap over, and the flap is also a pocket. She fell in love with it, and so I decided to give it to her for her birthday. Like kind of just pass on the amazing Marc Jacobs. So I went on a hunt for a Marc Jacobs bag. And I did have some credit on the Real because I do sell sometimes on there. And then they gave me a bonus $40 because of a recent bunch of stuff I sent in. Whatever, I wasn't going to question it. So I had like $100 in credit. So I'm like, okay, I can maybe put in some money and maybe find myself a really nice Marc Jacobs bag. I did. Okay, so it is from the Real. Let me see. Okay, I can open it like this. And I got it specifically to match the charm. Usually it's the other way around. You buy the bag, then you buy the charms. But sometimes I do things a little backwards. Okay. Now, you guys know I like smaller bags. This one, when I looked at the measurements, it did seem a little smaller than I would like, but I made sure that my phone would fit, and that's all that matters. So, and I was told, the website said it was new with tag. Oh, yes, it is. Oh my God. Oh my God. The tote bag for the lock. So let's go over it really fast. It is leather. Now, if you know me, you know my favorite color is neon. Doesn't matter what color, as long as it's neon, it'll be my favorite. And it is new with the tag. So it has a $395 price tag on it. I paid $100. So that is it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. This is so cool. Oh, here's all the tags for the Real. The little booklet. Okay. Let's put her strap. Let's attach the strap. Oh, this is nice and long. Sweet. And then, gosh, I love it. Okay, now, isn't this gonna match freaking perfectly? So, let's see, I guess I can add her to the strap, or maybe on the side. Probably on the side. Okay, love. I might do it on the strap. I might have to add a larger hook so that I can put it on the strap, because I think it would look better there. Yes. So I think I have some ring clips, like small ring clips, that I think I'm going to use to attach it here, because I think that would look way better. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Yes. So let me know what you think. It's so me. I might even wear it today with my little outfit for a pop of color. Oh my gosh, okay, I won't keep you, but it is adjustable and it's my new favorite. And let me see, let me get my phone. Yeah, so it does fit laying down. Perfect. Really quick, I just want to show you how I did it. So I took a D ring that I have in stock, I have plenty, and I added the charm at the ring here. So now I have kind of like an extra charm. So now it lays flat against the bag. Love it. Okay, I'm so excited. All right, just had to show you this, had to share. Thank you for watching, and thumbs up and subscribe. It's free, and thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.